So I'm sure now the question is, how do we tell the two apart? And how can mixing them up potentially impact a partner relationship? So what exactly denotes compatibility in relationship? Well, as human beings, we are first and foremost animals, and instinctually we have a desire to procreate. That's what a relationship expert by name Coach Alex Scot. So chemistry is the initial physical response and attraction that we have to a person. Like, I don't know if that is what people call love at first sight, but I mean, there's a connection, there's a spark that when you see someone, you just feel that you like them immediately. So if chemistry isn't a clear-cut matter, then how can you know for sure if you and a partner have it? Fortunately, I think you can harness it by paying attention to a few physical indications, signs you're experiencing chemistry with a partner or a potential partner, and elevated heart rate. Like I heard that there will be a dilated pupil, something like a rush of blood to your lower regions, the lower regions. Yeah, I'm sure you understand that. Or what many describe as butterflies, as well as a desire to continue the conversation or connection. I think personally, to me, when I say that I have a connection, like kind of chemistry with someone, I want to talk to them every time, like you want to continue with the conversation, you don't want it to stop, you want to keep talking to them on phone and all that. So if your palms are kind of sweaty, you're weak in the knees and you're nervous, you might be feeling maybe that chemistry. Yeah, I think so. Compatibility is deeper and more logical than chemistry. Compatibility is about the various elements of lifestyle, values, and goals that feel in line with one another, and how that manifests in your interactions. As a temperament coach, I will also say that it has to do with how well you are able to connect with each other. That is not chemistry now. Like on a deeper level, how well are you connected? Your temperament, your personality, your goals, your values, your lifestyle. Then signs of compatibility include, your ability to get along, negotiate, compromise, solve problems, set and respect each other's boundaries, weaknesses, appreciate your strengths, individuality, then work together as a team. Oftentimes, you can't really tell if this is in place when all you feel is chemistry. So you get along, you're on the same page, you make each other laugh, and you feel like you can be a part of each other's life. However, compatibility is not necessarily about having everything in common with your partner. And remember, opposites attract, it's more about feeling like you complement each other, not complete each other. Because I would always say this, nobody's anybody's missing puzzle. No. So you can't complete anybody if you're not complete on your own. You can only complement each other. So no, you don't really need to have the same exact hobbies. Like I said, opposites sometimes attract, but of course, remember, it still doesn't work for everybody that way. There are some people that would rather go for people that are just like them. Remember, I explained that sometimes cholerics may be attracted to choleric and melancholic may be attracted to melancholic, but in most cases, opposites attract. So you really don't need to go for someone that acts your exact hobbies, although that can be nice too, like I said. You mainly just need to align or mesh well, to be together for that long haul. That is really the place of compatibility in relationships. So